Piktochart Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you need to create infographics, presentations, or reports, Piktochart promises visually stunning results with minimal effort, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking professional design requires advanced skills. Piktochart offers pre-made templates, drag and drop tools, and intuitive editing, allowing anyone to create polished graphics quickly. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match branding or personal style. Another advantage is versatility. You can design infographics, presentations, reports, and social media visuals all in one platform. The app supports high-resolution exports, making it suitable for digital and print use. Collaboration is seamless, allowing team members to edit or provide feedback in real time. Piktochart also offers integration with data sources. You can import charts, graphs, or tables directly into your visuals, ensuring accuracy and saving time. The platform's visual assets, icons, and stock images further enhance creative options. However, there are cons. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, and free accounts have limited templates and export options. The mobile experience is functional, but less intuitive than the desktop version. Large projects may require patience with design rendering. In conclusion, Piktochart is an excellent tool for anyone seeking professional quality graphics without extensive design experience. The surprising truth is that while it simplifies design, full creative potential may require a subscription and desktop use. For anyone needing to produce engaging visuals quickly, Piktochart combines usability, versatility, and data integration, but for maximum flexibility, consider investing in premium features.